Welcome to the tutorial series on the MetaTrader 5 Toolkit by Scope Markets. In this tutorial, the focus will be on how to open a new trading position. You should already have a chart open. In this example, we are looking at the dollar versus the Swiss franc on the 1-hour time frame. To open a trade, go to the toolbar and select New Order. This opens a window where you can set up your position. The symbol field shows the instrument currently displayed on your chart. In this case, dollar versus Swiss franc. The type field lets you choose between market execution and pending order. For now, we'll keep it on market execution. Next, set the volume, which determines the trade size. Let's select 0.5 lots, equal to 50,000 units. Below that, you can set a stop loss and take profit, though we'll explain these in later videos. Once ready, choose whether to buy or sell depending on your market outlook. Here, we'll place a sell order. As soon as you confirm, the position is executed instantly. At the bottom of the platform, you will see the new trade appear. It will display the symbol, ticket number, entry time, order type, volume, entry price, stop loss, take profit, current market price, and any floating profit or loss. This is how you open a new trading position in MetaTrader 5.